In this video, we demonstrate how to install the EZVIZ H9C dual-lens pan-tilt camera on a wall or wooden surface. First, we show you how to remove the top panel cover from the camera by pressing the notches on both sides of the camera body, as illustrated in the video. This removed part can now be used to mount the camera on a ceiling or a vertical surface, depending on your needs. For cement or brick walls, make a drill and use the provided screws and plugs to secure the mount. For wooden surfaces, you can directly screw the mount as shown. If you're mounting the camera on a pole, you'll need to purchase a separate pole mount ring to attach the mount panel bracket securely to the pole. Once the mount is fixed, you can detach the main body of the camera and securely attach it to the bracket as shown in the video. Since this camera features a weatherproof design, it can be installed outdoors where exposure to sunlight or rain won't affect its performance. However, for longer life and better video quality, it's recommended to mount the camera under a surface or use some kind of shade to protect it from direct sunlight or rain. Additionally, you can use a waterproof box to protect the power adapter and power supply connection pin, and keep the LAN and power connectors inside the box for added protection. For optimal coverage, it's recommended to install the camera at a height of 8 to 10 feet, 2.5 to 3 meters, from the ground. This height allows the camera to capture a broad field of view while being out of easy reach. Position the camera so that it covers the area you want to monitor most effectively, ideally with a clear line of sight and without any obstructions. If you found this video helpful, we'd greatly appreciate your support. Your contributions help us create more informative content and continue providing valuable resources. Whether you like, share, or subscribe to our channel, every bit of support makes a difference. Thank you.